Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Limited Red S in granite crystal metallic. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear cross path detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 40,000 miles in the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, power sliding doors, seat back video screen, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7742.